Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel BU01 Assessment 2 portfolio. In its project description, one method that people use to provide income during their retirement years is investing in the dividend paying stocks. The dividends allow investors to make withdrawal from their retirement accounts without having to reduce their investment principal. Michael Malley, President and Chief Investment Officer of your employer, Excellent Wealth Management, has developed a worksheet to show how a portfolio of stock can create an additional income stream for his clients. You are asked to determine how much income the current portfolio is generating in order to assist with future investments decision in the form of adding to current investment or diversifying and adding other dividend paying investments. That's our project description. We need to move our first step. Our first step is download and open the file name Excel BU01 Assessment2 portfolio. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are starting your file. I have already downloaded this file. That's our file. Grader added my last name to the beginning of the file name. We need to move to second step. To improve the readability of the dividend portfolio worksheet, center and bold cell range B2 to F3. So we will go to the dividend portfolio. That's our dividend portfolio. What he is saying? Center and bold cell ranges B2 to F3. So we will select B2 to F3. We need to center this one and bold these. So that's our first step. Second step. Our third step is to format a worksheet title. Apply center across selection to the cell range A1 to N1. So we will go to the A1 to N1. We will select this one up to N1. It's now selected. What we do, we will open the alignment, and in the alignment in the horizontal we will go to the center across selection and we will press OK. So it's now center across selection. And what he is saying, format the title with the title cell style and bold the title. So we will go to the now cell styles, and here we will select title cell style and bold this one. Now that's our third step. Our fourth step is continue formatting the worksheet by adding a thick bottom border to the title A1 to N1. So we need to apply a thick bottom border. We will go to the borders. We will select thick bottom border. It's now applied. And what he is saying, increase the height of row 1 to 23.25. So we will select here. We will go to the row height, and here we will, in this we will change it to 23.25 and press OK. So that's our fourth step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, SimNet course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or if you need help in Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignment, or Assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And my WhatsApp direct link is given also in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. Now we will move to our fifth step. Our fifth step is The dividend portfolio worksheet will help you to determine how much income the current portfolio is generating. Therefore, you want to calculate the total of the stock dividends per share and the total dividends in the cell N12 to N16 and N20 to N24. Use a function to calculate the range total. So we will go to select the N12 and N16. That's our N12 to N16 cells. We will select this one and we will go to the this one home tab, and at the last we will go to the select this one as a auto sum. So it's now auto sum. You see here, you can check the formulas here. It's sum formula. It's selected. It's this one selected its own range, and other one also. Which one other one? N22 and 24. We will do the same to the N22 and 24. We will select this one and 22 and 24 and go to the auto sum, and it's auto sum. Now we have got our required values in the cell range N16 to N20 and N24 to N20 to N24. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is you are interested in knowing the average of the total dividends in the received in the row 8. In the cell G8, use a function to calculate the average of total dividends. So we will go to the cell G8. That's our cell G8. We will select is equal to. We will put average formula. We will start our formula, and we will select the numbers from here from B8 to F8 and press enter. We have got our average value in the cell G8. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is apply cell style heading 3 to the cells G7, B10 and B18. So we will select G7. That's our cell G7, B10 and B18. What we need to apply? Heading 3 cell style. He is asking for heading 3 cell style. So we will go to the cell style and we will select heading 3 cell styles. You see in the cell G7, B10 and B18, it's heading 3 cell style applied. That's our seventh step. We have total 20 steps of this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Or if you want to deal for your complete course, you can also contact with me. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, and my WhatsApp link is also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Also you can contact me on my Facebook page. My Facebook page link and my Instagram link is also given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get the new video updates. Thank you.